In today's video, I am going to teach you how to exclude a segment Mailchimp. Excluding a segment or tag in Mailchimp is useful when you want to send an email campaign to most of an audience, but leave out a specific group of contacts. For example, you may want to avoid sending a promotion to people who already received it, or exclude contacts who have a certain tag applied. The process is done inside the email campaign builder, and it only takes a few clicks once you know where to look. To begin, log into your Mailchimp account. Make sure you are using the correct account if you manage more than one, because your audiences, segments, and tags are connected to the account you are currently signed into. Once you are logged in, you should arrive at the main Mailchimp dashboard, where you can access your campaigns and create new marketing emails. Now that you are inside Mailchimp, look for the Create button. This is usually one of the main options available from the dashboard or the left side navigation area. Click Create, and then choose Email from the available campaign options. This starts the process of building a new email campaign, where you can set up the sender, subject line, content, and recipient settings. After selecting Email, Mailchimp will take you into the Campaign Setup area. This is where you control the main parts of your email before sending or scheduling it. The section we need is the To section, because that is where Mailchimp lets you choose who should receive the campaign. In the To section of the Campaign Builder, click Add Recipients. Once you click Add Recipients, Mailchimp will show the recipient settings for this campaign. This is where you can choose the audience that the email will be sent to. Select your audience from the drop-down menu. If you only have one audience, it may already be selected for you, but it is still a good idea to check that the correct audience is showing. This matters because the segment or tag you want to exclude must belong to the audience you select here. After your audience is selected, stay in the same recipient settings area. You should see additional options related to who in that audience will receive the email. Look for the checkbox labeled Exclude a segment or tag. Check that box to tell Mailchimp that you do not want to send this campaign to everyone in the selected audience. Instead, you want Mailchimp to remove a specific segment or tag from the final recipient list. When you check the box, Mailchimp will reveal a drop-down menu where you can choose what to exclude. Select the segment or tag you wish to exclude from the drop-down menu. Take a moment to confirm that you are choosing the correct one, especially if your account has several similar tags or saved segments. The name you select here determines which contacts will be left out of the campaign. Everyone else in the selected audience who is eligible to receive the email will remain included, unless other settings apply. Once the correct segment or tag is selected, the recipient setup is almost complete. Review the settings briefly to make sure the audience is correct, and the excluded segment or tag is the one you intended to use. This quick check helps prevent sending the campaign to contacts who should have been excluded. Finally, click Save. This saves your recipient settings and applies the exclusion to your email campaign. You can now continue building the rest of your campaign, including the subject line, design, and content, knowing that the selected segment or tag will be excluded from the send. And that is all there is to it.